Well, the internet seems to be full of videos showing you how to connect two wires together semi-permanently. So I disagree with a lot of the ways I've seen on YouTube. So I thought I'd put up a video on how I would do it. So in this case, I've got two similar sized wires. I just want to connect them together. This is obviously a mains cable, so it's not ideal, but I'll put brown to red and blue to black. So I've bared those two. I think they came bared anyway. This is on a little voltmeter that I'm going to use as it happens. So I'm just going to use this bit of old mains cable to connect it in to where I need it. And so I'll just strip off these wires for a start. Just put a nick in the side with a good pair of side cutters. And then you can normally just pull off the insulation like so. So let's just twist those strands together. And what I would do, well, I'll put some heat shrink on for a start, don't forget that. So red for positive and black for negative. So what I would do is put a little kink in that bared section of wire and just bolt it into a U shape. So that's negative, isn't it? So on the other cable, I'll just do exactly the same thing. Just put a kink in the end and fold it into a U. That way you can effectively hook the wires together like so, and just press down those U's. So you've now got a mechanically strongish joint which you can solder. So rather than just having the ends side by side and soldered, where you've just got the strength of the solder, here you've got a bit of mechanical strength from the copper as well. And it also makes it a lot easier to solder because it's actually holding itself together. So my cunning helping hands type gadget. So you can just grip one side and then you've got perfect access. Still got my heat shrink on, yep. Iron is up to temperature. Let's just, where's the solder? There we are. This is cord solder, of course. Flux cord, I mean. There we go, just make sure the solder is run. I do. Hold it straight while it solidifies. Still quite warm, of course. Then just slip the heat shrink over. And I've actually got a hot air gun which makes life a bit easier. Rather than burning it with a flame. Right, all done. So I think that's mechanically stronger and just easier to make because you've got a sort of self-holding arrangement. So I just do the same for the other side, put this heat shrink on that fell off, and should be good to go. So that's of some help. Thanks for watching.